welcome to World's Love Frontier.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm Xavier.
We're doing the pizza challenge.
Yay! So first we have to take our dough.
Yeah.
It is upside down.
That's lost.
No, I do.
Lost. Now you have to spread. Spread.
Spread.
Bye.
Mine's gonna be the cool pizza. Now yours.
No, let this spread it.
And then spread.
Okay, I made some cheese.
On my pizza.
Spread.
Some more cheese. More cheese. Cheese. Now I mean pepperoni. See?
There.
Now we need some pepperoni. Here.
There.
Here. And then
Nice and nice. Okay, now I need pepper.
that's your favorite.
Yeah. Here.
Now we need ingredients. Mine is going to be a cool pizza. When I have my ingredients.
See? Last
Oh,
one.
more pepperoni.
Oh, I mean. Everybody needs toppings.
Some more cheese. and some more sauce.
What I put? Ice on my. Oh, really? Don't do that.
Hey.
There.
How about tuna?
Now we don't put the cheese.
Oh no. You talk about this ice cream? Bop. How about yours? Bop.
Hey.
Hey, let's get down.
Bye.
Try that. All right, Riri, that one's yours. That one's yours.
My chips are kind of burned.
Yeah. Okay, gotta try it.
But I go try this bad boy out.
All right. Good?
Yummy. Yummy like a gummy.
Yummy like a gummy.
Yummy like a pepperoni pizza.
Good? Did we get a thumbs up?
They're so good. I love them.
They